condition of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. The earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Those least affected by climate change are worst affected by it.
Good day everyone, and we are your presenters for today's program.
As we celebrate our school's Science Month with the theme Climate Change Adaptation.
Advocating traditional and innovative ways to come up with solutions to what climate change can do to us.
Promoting different courses of actions to speak up concerning to raise awareness and educate our fellow students.
We present to you all our illustrated way to promote responsibility in taking good care of our only home. Our group poster about saving the Mother Earth.
Choose a utility that gets at least half of its energy from wind or solar and has been certified by Green Energy, a non-profit that evaluates renewable energy options. Reduce the amount of water wasted. Conserving water also helps to reduce carbon pollution. That's because pumping, heating, and treating your water uses a lot of energy.
Separate waste. Implement planting program. Reduce the use of air conditioner. Spread awareness and education to students on how to reduce the effects of climate change. Change your home, power source, or source of energy. Consider air travel.
Climate change has been a cycle through geological time. However, in recent years, rises in carbon dioxide, which human activities such as deforestation and burning of fossil fuels have dramatically increased the level of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, in the environment.
Humans and wild animals are facing new survival challenges as a result of climate change. Droughts that are more frequent and intense, storms, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and warming oceans can all harm animals directly, destroy their habitats, and devastate people's livelihoods and communities. Hotter weather is also expected across the board as a result of climate change, as greenhouse gases trap more heat in the atmosphere.
The effect of climate change includes hotter temperature, more severe storms, increased drought, rising of sea levels, loss of species, hunger, poverty and displacement, health risks, and eventually will lead to death.
The Earth is currently warming at a rate unprecedented in recorded history. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas to generate electricity and heat account for a significant portion of world emissions. The majority of electricity is still generated using fossil fuels. Just approximately a quarter is generated using wind, solar, and other renewable energy resources. Emissions are produced by manufacturing and industry, primarily from the burning of fossil fuels to generate energy for the production of cement, iron, steel, electronics, plastics, clothing, and other items.
97% of climate scientists agrees that the current rate of climate warming is very likely due to human activities. This is because of the natural trend of climate change through geological time has never shown to be at the rate of the current global, and the only reasonable explanation is the carbon emitted by humans. So please, help save